Changing the Pinterest dark mode is a pretty simple thing. So, in order to do so, what you have to do is to follow this video till the end to get to know about it. So, if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So, go to the Play Store, and number one thing is installing the Pinterest. Exactly right. So, go ahead and install the Pinterest if you haven't done it already, and then open up the Pinterest. So once you will open up the Pinterest, there are two things you can do. You can either go with the creating an account, and if you don't have an account, you don't have to worry about anything. So simply go to the account settings. In the account setting, go to the account management. In the account management, you will see a app theme, which is right over here. You can select between system default, light, and dark. Simply go ahead and click on the dark button, and your screen is now your Pinterest application is now running on the dark mode. And here you guys can see that everything is now organized in the dark mode. So this is pretty much it. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.